In this video, I'm going to show the fastest and the easiest way of propagation of Euphorbia millii or crown of thorns plant. Hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Suba and welcome to Plantalogy. In this video, I'm going to talk all about the propagation of Euphorbia millii or crown of thorns plant. It's a type of cacti that found in Madagascar. This plant is typically grown for its attractive, colorful flowers, which are actually bracts. This plant you can grow as an outdoor plant and indoor plant. However, I'm only going to talk about the propagation of this particular type of cacti. Euphorbia millii can be propagated through two ways. One is through seeds and another one is through stem cuttings. If I talk about the seed propagation through seeds, they take about a year or more to turn into a mature plant, and it's a lengthy process. On the other hand, propagating them through stem cuttings is the fastest way. But you need to know how long the cutting should be and what type of cutting we have to take. And in this video, I'm exactly going to explain all this stuff.
Now, first of all, what type of cutting we have to take? We have to take the tip cuttings from a healthy plant. So the plant here I'm showing had grown from cutting and now has several growths which I'm going to take as cuttings. All the stems are semi-hardwood stems and have tip growth. So we have to take semi-hardwood tip growth existing cuttings. In euphorbias, 90% of tip cuttings develop roots fast and appropriately, rather than the middle stem cuttings. I'm not telling that the middle stem cuttings never develop roots. The matter of fact is that sometimes middle stem cuttings either take too long to develop roots or fail. However, I'm going to take 3 stems from this plant. Cuttings should be at least 2 to 3 inches long. Euphorbia millii is a type of succulent plant, has white sap inside the stems and leaves, which help to keep themselves hydrated in the arid region. Cause they contain sap, so if you plant them exactly as they are now, they can rot. So before planting in the soil, I'm going to leave them for 24 hours to heal the cut areas. Here, I have taken a shallow clay pot and has a drainage hole. Now let me show you what type of potting mix you can use for cuttings. Cuttings have no roots, so we need to prepare a potting mix that will be excessively well draining as well as will stay moist. So here I am adding 1 cup of coco peat, 1 cup of coarse sand and half cup of charcoal. Here charcoal will help to prevent the fungus infestation. Then mix together and now check out the texture. You can use this potting mix for growing almost all kinds of plants cuttings. After 24 hours, the cut areas are calloused and ready to plant. Then here I am going to plant them in soil. Insert around 1 to 2 inches of the stem into the soil. After that, I will keep the pot in a bright shade. I am going to water only when the upper 2 to 3 inches of soil will about to dry. Within 15 to 20 days, they will be well rooted.
If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram where I upload random videos about gardening and plants. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.